Okay. This is Joe. You own the Gleeson Jail, right?
The Gleeson Jail
Uh,
and most of the property around here. Born
your,
and raised here.
you said your dad owned what?
My dad had the general store across the street.
Oh, okay.
I was raised in the back side of the store back there. My dad had like a mercantile store.
Okay.
We sold dry goods. He sold stuff to the mines, the ranchers.
Oh.
And
Do you have any stories from that?
well, like in the 50s when Bisbee opened up, a lot of the miners left here, and it was just abandoned. It wasn't depleted. The ore is still here,
Okay.
and now they're coming back because the price of gold and copper's gone up so
Oh,
much.
okay.
Born and raised here, and I left in the 50s. There was only about 12 of us here, and my dad just put a lock on the door of the store. We moved to Gleeson,
Okay.
and it was pretty nice because then we didn't have running water or electricity here.
Oh.
And in Tombstone, we had running water and electricity. So that was a luxury to us. But I kept coming back, and my uncle's buried at the cemetery.
Oh, isn't it over here?
Yeah,
Okay.
I own that too. So.
Oh, you own the cemetery too?
Yes, yes.
Oh.
Oh wow, so cool.
Oh.
Yeah, that's down the road about
Okay.
a mile on the right-hand side as you're going back to Tombstone.
You're like the local historian, huh?
Yes, yes, exactly. And I try to keep it up as much as I've been able to, you know. This place I kept coming by, and it was a dirt road before. So it was like time stood still here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody would come in here unless you knew about it.
Right.
And then I saw the sign that Tina had put up for sale, and oh, wow. So that's when I got hold of her. And,
Yeah.
Have you had experiences in the jail?
yes, and the school. That's the school over there. Hanging tree.
Yeah. The hanging tree?
Yeah, that big oak tree over there.
Uh-huh.
That's where they used to hang the prisoners.
Okay.
I read about that. It was called the jail tree, where they would
Yeah.
chain them up and make them stand in the wash until the floods came.
Right, and they cleaned the wash.
Yeah, yeah.
But there's still a chain there and a cable where they used to tie
Oh,
them up.
so my question is, what experiences have you had, if you don't mind sharing?
Yeah.
Kids.
Kids? Okay.
Kids, a lot of kids here. And they've asked them, you know, because there've been kids down in the wash, and of course the kids at the school, and the paranormals have asked them, why are you here? Because we love it here.
Okay.
They don't want to leave.
Would not have expected that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's just one of those things that the kids are still here.
I'm going to go to as many places in Arizona as I can, and then it's turned into a whole thing, but I love it, and I'm having a good time.
I know.
People like us.
Yeah, well, and then you, like,
Yes, I do that. Good seeing you.
I'd like to know the history, like, what made you want to restore the Gleeson Jail?
Okay, so I bought this in 2008, I believe. I built the house down here
Okay.
on High Lonesome Road in 2004 or 5, I'm thinking. And I used to come past the jail that was in a mess.
Yes.
It was, I think there's pictures in there of it before we restored it. And I owned a store in Tombstone, so I went to work every day. And we used to see this at the time. I was dating a guy from Wyoming, and we'd come by here and it was abandoned. And then one day there was a for sale sign up, and I thought, well, that was always government property, state land. And called the realtor, and it was a piece of land that had been sold for back taxes, sight unseen, to a couple in Holland.
Oh wow.
And they put it up for sale, and I said, we're gonna make that into a Circle K or something. We gotta save that.
Yeah, I'm not sure how well that would do out here.
Well, that was what went through
We'd
my
get rid of the
head.
porta potty, wouldn't it?
You know, or
Yeah.
they bulldoze it down
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, yeah, we don't
And
want that.
so my partner and I at the time, we said, let's buy that. He says, I'll go in-house, and I go, I'll go in-house. He wasn't interested in the history of it, but because I had the antique store, I got compulsive obsessive about it. I needed to know everything there was about it. So we researched it, and then people would start showing up, and they'd be like,
What are you doing?
well, my grandfather lived here,
Mhm.
or the Martinezes.
Yeah.
They were in Tucson,
Okay.
Tombstone, and they came
Yeah.
with a shoebox,
Huh.
and it was all the old family photos. So a lot of we made copies of those, so we got a lot of those in there. And of course, Joe came by, and he goes, "Well, I was raised in that store next door." So it was like a
she told me,
family gathering.
We gotta talk.
Yeah, we gotta talk.
Mhm.
And so after I kind of got it all done and moved on, and I decided to sell it, and Joe was, and I wouldn't sell it to just anyone.
Oh,
He
yeah.
was the
Yeah.
person. It belonged to him, so
Yeah.
we
Especially
made
if you
that
raise
happen.
right there.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And before the road wasn't paved, like I was telling you,
Mhm.
it was a dirt road, so
Oh, I
not
lost
too many people came in.
3 tailgates off of my pickup truck
Yeah.
driving that washboard road to
Yeah.
Tombstone
The road was
over
that
the
bad.
last 5 years or so, like
Oh,
that.
man.
So they must have just done the road not too long ago.
About 3 years ago.
Okay.
But what was happening, they were trying to keep the tourists in Tombstone, and they didn't want them down here. So no, there's nothing down there. It's just a dirt road.
Gleeson was a mining town also,
Oh yeah, there's about 6 mines up there.
and it's that way, right?
No, right up here. You
Oh,
see 'em
Right here.
up there?
That's
Oh,
it,
in the
right
mountains
at the
there.
crossroads and then going up that way.
Yeah.
Oh,
See the big
And those are
A-frame
the
up there?
mines.
yeah. Okay.
And then Tiffany's used to own the one up here on the right, where the turquoise, the chip turquoise back when silver and turquoise were big.
Okay.
And the turquoise is still there.
Oh.
Well, all of it is still there because it wasn't depleted. They actually up there on the up top left, they found it's the Arizona mineral now, wolfenite. That mine and in Yuma are the only ones that have that.
Okay.
And if you go to the gem shows,
Yeah,
it
I-
is expensive.
So did you face any challenges when you were doing the restoration?
No, it just kind of happened. Well, but the jail was concrete, and the roof on the jail was concrete, so
Yeah.
it didn't deteriorate like adobes do. Because when the roofs went, the adobes
Okay. Yeah.
That's what's
melted.
happening with the
Pretty
store.
much what happened. 'Cause
Okay.
the store still had the roof on it, and
No.
the big did when I lived
Before.
here.
Okay.
Last year it went down.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
the mural's probably gone. Yeah.
Aw.
Mural
which is-
fell down. And I got the autograph of the guy that did the mural inside the jail.
Oh, excellent.
Okay.
I
Excellent.
was able to save that.
Okay.
Yeah. Before, well, I think I have my video on, but we were talking about the school just over. His sisters went to the school, and
Yeah.
I'm like, there's no ceiling on it, but
It was a 2-story.
building.
Oh, it was?
Yes.
Yeah.
There's
Two-story.
pictures in the jail.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
It was a
so
Okay,
we'll
big
I have to go
and then
see,
down there,
2-story building, and
Yeah, I can take you down there
Okay.
and see. But
Middle school, you said, right? Up to 7th grade?
8th grade, I think, and then they were bused up to Tombstone for
Okay.
high school.
and they tell me that the floor, there was a wood floor in the school, and it was pulled up and put in the theater in Tombstone
And the Crystal Palace.
and the Crystal Palace.
Yeah.
Okay. Somebody wanted a tour. Like, what are your hours and how would they get a hold of you?
I usually open up the first Saturday of the of the month.
Okay.
Or if they call me, like Tina called me, and
Okay.
I drive down. I live in Tucson, so
Okay.
I drive down here.
Okay.
But I got cards, and
Okay.
people call me, and well, we want to be there for the weekend or something like that.
Yeah.
People
People-
come through here on a regular basis.
Yes.
So I could be sitting here doing research. That used to be the research house.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'd be sitting in there, and they'd come in, and it was. We did the whole. I never charged admission. We just have a donation box.
Donation
We still
box,
have a
and then
donation
that's-
box.
Okay.
The restoration, did it take? I guess how long did it take? That was not the question I had, but it'll come back.
Well, probably bought it in 2008, and we had the 100-year reunion in
Yeah.
2010. So it was finished by 2010.
Okay.
And then you said you learned a lot of the history about the jail. Can you tell us anything about what you had learned?
Well, this jail was built in 2010, or 1910.
1910.
And the Cortland jail, if you've been down Ghost Trail Road,
I've been there.
there's another jail
Mhm.
there that's built by the same contractor. That was built in 1909, a year before this jail. This was not, there were 3 jails here. This was the 3rd jail.
Yeah,
Okay.
The first jail is, we believe, that
the hanging tree.
The hanging
tree in the wash, because articles out of the newspaper, the Cortland Arizonan, said that the inmates were chained to that jail by their right hand to a cable, and the only time the jail got cleaned was when the wash ran. And there's still a cable down there with
Cable
chains
and
embedded
chain.
in that tree. So it's a wood jail,
Uh
which would have sat in front of
Right in front of it.
there.
huh. Okay.
But they kept breaking out of that,
The wood jail.
the wood jail. They'd break out of the roof.
I had a
Had a
tin
tin
roof
roof.
at that time.
Tin
Yeah.
Right.
roof at the, it has a picture in there.
And
Okay.
the metal grates on the front of this came off of the wood jail.
Right.
Okay.
The original
Ah, okay.
jail windows that came off of this were taken out and used in Benson, for the Benson jail.
The Benson jail, they
Once-
reused it.
They redid that. Those can be seen in the Benson Museum. They
Okay.
have those.
Oh.
They were, so, and then this one was built in 1909. But
Okay.
because it was built out of concrete, it didn't deteriorate. People pulled the windows out. And
Some hippies moved in there in the 70s, I think, and were living free
I heard that, right.
In
for a
the
Okay.
while.
Huh.
store.
Well, and they used all kinds of, there's in the floor, there's a place that we left open that you can see railroad ties that were used to form the concrete
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
in the jail.
That's cool. Huh.
You said nothing paranormal came up during the restorations or while you were doing that, but you hear things in there. Did things get moved around, or what do you hear?
Oh, they get moved around, and like I said, there's a lot of kids here.
Mm-hmm.
You can hear the kids laughing at night or run like they're playing around. And
In the wash as well, you said, right?
yeah, there was a little girl in the wash, and they followed her, and she ran down the wash, and they could never find her. That's right.
Yeah.
I remember.
Now, when I owned the store and the hotel, Tombstone, T. Miller's Hotel in Tombstone, I never saw ghosts, but one of people that stayed in one of the rooms upstairs wrote a thing on TripAdvisor that says that Tina Miller's the most dishonest person there is.
No.
She makes
What?
the rocking chairs rock at night upstairs.
Oh.
Oh, dude.
Oh, wow.
There was, they always said the
Skeptical.
rocking chairs. I'm like, I'm downstairs pulling a string.
We might have to stay there. Yeah.
Is it still there? Tina Miller's? Is it just
It-
called?
It's
still
now
called that?
Tombstone Hotel.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, okay.
It used to be a dealership.
Yeah,
Originally
it was
in
a
the
dealership
50s.
and you have a
Chrysler,
lot
I
of-
think it was,
Huh.
or something. It was an
That would make
old
sense.
dealership there.
I'd have people coming in and they go, well, my tata had this picture. Would you be interested in going to
Yeah.
this?
I remember the murders they had here.
I want to hear about this. What murders?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Cameras on.
What-
Joe.
Huh?
Bigfoot, remember the
Oh, that's a
trailer?
Bigfoot story.
Really?
You don't remember that?
No.
I want to know this story.
The 2 girls that were murdered up here, 90 or 91.
I never heard that story.
Yeah, that's why Alfreda didn't celebrate 4th of July for a long time. This guy Bigfoot and a friend of him went to Alfreda and got these 2 girls drunk, 14, 15-year-old girls. And they brought them up here, violated them, killed them, and put them in that pit.
Oh.
The young guy, he was 20 years old, Bigfoot, and he turned state evidence. They gave him 20 years. Matter of fact, I got his picture in there.
Huh.
They gave him 20 years, and Bigfoot, which is that trailer that's on the other side of the hanging tree,
Okay.
they gave him death, and they executed him in Florence.
Oh, wow.
Huh.
And the 20-year-old kid, he got out. It's been over 20 years, and he went back to Arkansas or Georgia,
Okay.
And I heard last year he fell in the tub and cracked his head, died. It's
Mhm.
still on the internet. You can
To look
still
it up.
find it.
Interesting name.
Mhm.
He worked up in Tombstone. He was a bouncer.
Nickname, I'd imagine.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, I had a guy, John, can't remember what his name was. He was one of the first ones that came out, and he wanted to explore the trailer. I said, okay, John, and I took all his equipment down to the trailer, and I said, I don't go in the trailer. I'll leave you there. And so I did. He was there about 20 minutes, and I came back here, and he came running. He said, Joe, who did you say was there? And I said, that's Bigfoot trailer. That's the guy that killed the 2 girls. And he said, I don't know what it was, but he had 3 scratches across his face there. He said, I could hear the screaming.
How long ago
Over
was this?
there?
That was about 8 years ago, I think.
And you
He
still
never-
have the trailer here from now?
Yeah,
You
it's still
have
there.
them-
Yeah, we don't.
Go
Which
in.
trailer is it? Is it
Bigfoot, the one that killed the
the
2
across the
girls.
street or?
Yeah, behind
Okay.
the hanging tree.
Okay.